Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you are going to learn two different accents, American accent and British accent. Look at this picture. Americans say a bag of flour. American accent, a bag of flour. Example, I want a bag of flour. British accent, British say a pack of flour. A pack of flour. Example, I want a pack of flour. Second word, American accent. Americans say apartment. Apartment. Example, I live in a beautiful apartment. British accent. British say flat. Flat. Example, I live in a beautiful flat. American accent. Americans say cafe. Cafe. Example, let's go to the cafe. British accent. British say coffee shop. Coffee shop. Example, let's go to the coffee shop. Look at this picture. American accent. Americans say closet. Closet. Example, I bought a new closet. I bought a new closet. British accent. British say wardrobe. Wardrobe. Example, I bought a new wardrobe. Another picture. American accent. Americans say clothing store. Clothing store. Example, that clothing store is awesome. British accent. British say clothes shop. Clothes shop. Example, that clothes shop is awesome. Look at this picture. American accent. Americans say fall. Fall. Example, she loves fall season. Now, British accent. British say autumn. The correct pronunciation is autumn. Example, she loves autumn season. Another word, American accent. Americans say elevator. Elevator. Example, this elevator does not work. British accent. British say lift. Lift. Example, this lift does not work. Now look at this picture. First, American accent. Americans say movies. This place is called a movies. Example, let's go to the movies. In American accent. Now, British accent. British say cinema. Cinema. Example, let's go to the cinema. Another word, American accent. Americans say candies. Candies. Example, Mia loves candies. British accent. British say this thing sweets. Sweets. Example, Mia loves sweets. American accent. Look at this vegetable. Americans say eggplant. Eggplant. Example, eggplant is a vegetable. British accent. British say aubergine. Aubergine. Example: aubergine is a vegetable. American accent. Americans say this thing chips. Chips. Example: I want a packet of chips. British accent. British say crisps. Crisps. Example: I want a packet of crisps. Well done. I hope you loved this lesson, guys. Watch next this playlist and learn more vocabulary with pictures. See you in the next video. Until, take care of yourself.